Hello and welcome to this short tutorial in which I'm going to show you how to add liquidity to the RubySwap decentralized exchange. Okay, so this is the follow-on from the first tutorial which showed you how to trade using this little exchange thingy here. Adding liquidity is just as easy. You want to go over to this menu on the left-hand side and you want to click on liquidity. Now, before you add liquidity, you need to make sure that you have two of the tokens that you want to add liquidity for. I'm going to add liquidity into the egem/ruby pool. So I want to add egem and I also want to add ruby. So what you need to do is you need to add an equal amount of each asset. So equal amount of egem as you add ruby. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 3 egem, which means I also need to add 6.2744 ruby. Scroll down a little bit. It will tell you your percentage share of the pool. Obviously, I'm only adding 3 egem, which at the time of recording, I think is worth about 6 cents, and 6 ruby, which at the time of recording is worth about 6 cents. That will show you the share of the pool that you're going to get, and you'll be earning 0.17% of all trades on this pair proportional to your share of the pool. So basically, when you add liquidity, you can earn money off of the fees from other people who are swapping egem to ruby or ruby to egem. Anyway, I'll click on enable ruby, and then you scroll down here on your MetaMask. There is no fee for this. Well, there is a fee, but it's so small, it's counting as 0. It's 0.0 or 0.0009, whatever. So then you click on confirm like so, and you wait a few seconds. What it should do once it's completed, it should say transaction complete, and I should have a new type of token called an LP token. There you go. That's been approved. Sorry, that's been approved. Now I have to click supply and confirm supply. So this is going to tell me how many of the Ruby egem pool tokens I should get, 4.31021. So I'll confirm that supply. So I'm now supplying it. So I'm handing over 3 egem and also the 6 point something. So add the Ruby LP to MetaMask. As always, you should always add these if you're going to be using them. Click on add tokens, pretty straightforward. Now, if I click into my MetaMask, now the transaction has been confirmed. It's probably hidden by my face. And I click into assets. You will now see I've got egem. I've also got Ruby, and I've also got Ruby LP. Now, in another tutorial, I'm going to show you what you can actually do with these liquidity provider tokens. But for now, that's how to add liquidity. So thanks very much for watching, and enjoy adding liquidity.